就让我们一起加入客家风情大家來講客家吧。
Hey, what up, what up? It's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係林執事 Joseph Lin, and this month we're teaching you a phrase called immediately or right away, 馬上。念事，你觉得做什么事情一定要马上争取啊，或者说马上去做啊？
特卖会，
你怎么知道？
强迫。
为什么不是把这个工作的事情赶快马上做好呢？
因为那都有限时啊。
这个比较急的。
工作可以拖一下，跟老板塞那一下。
Alice, what's that one thing on your mind that you need to do right away all the time, and that is if there's a sale going on, you gotta go get it. Not your work. Okay, let's put you in that situation for teaching you the phrase 马上念事。Okay, 我好想买新电脑。I feel like buying a new computer.
我董上愛買新嘅電腦。
買新嘅電腦。
我董上愛買新嘅電腦。
我董上愛買新嘅電腦。電腦是電腦嗎？電腦 that is your computer. 好想要 I feel like I want to 董上愛 right? Okay. 有的時候特價快點嘛，對不對？今天剛好在特價，要買嗎？ There's a sale going on today. You want to go buy it?
今本日拄好啲特價呢？
拄好啲特價呢？
愛買麼？
愛買麼？要買嗎？ Alright, so 特價叫做
特價。
特價 okay, that means a sale, okay? And 剛好，今天剛好，所以今本日
拄好
okay, 拄好 mean 拄好嘛，就是剛剛好。There's a sale going on, and do you want to go buy it?
愛買麼？
You know,
沒有要買，可是也可以去逛一逛。
好啦，我馬上去逛逛。Sure, okay, I'll go check it out now. Okay, 逛逛 that means to do some shopping. All right.
好啊。
好啊。
我念是來去樓樓啊。
我念是來去樓樓啊。樓樓啊 means to shop 逛逛就對了。Okay, that means to do some window shopping, to stroll around 逛逛。樓樓啊，如果這個店員來，有需要幫忙嗎？你說我只是樓樓啊，我是逛逛而已。Okay, 可以這麼說嘛。Okay, all right, this is great. This is very useful. And let's review some of these phrases, such as the computer 電腦。天腦 and then 特價 a sale. 特價 and then finally, of course, to stroll and shop around 叫做樓樓啊。Okay, 樓樓啊 to shop. All right, and this whole month, it's all about 馬上 immediately. 念事 and hope you find that sale and save some money. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
子 C 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.